So we can use the comprehension on the other types. For example, names Ali, Veli, Selami, Ayşe, and Fatma. So the A can be returned with the length of the name. Okay, so this name can be defined in the for loop as a name in the names, which means that names is equals to the list, and so name each element of these terms, and so this returns to the length of the name, each name. And so we can print the A value in here just like this one, and so we get the 3, 4, 6, 4, 5. Or we can give the Mehmet, for example, an SS, and so we have the last element as a 9. Okay, or İşcan, see, 12. Okay, see. So how we can utilize the comprehension features in an advanced way? For example, if we want to design the new topics in here for the reverse name, for example, names can be built with the Ali, Mehmet, Berk, Yara, and something like that. And A name -1. This returns to the reverse values of this name for name in names. Okay, and so the print A can be given, see, ila, temhem, krep, aray. See, we can easily reverse the whole elements of of this list based on the one statement, using the one statement. This is a huge advantage to use the Python comprehension review or the feature. Or we can add one more example in here, just like this one. A 3, 6, 8, 34, 23, 90, 37, 42, and 43. Okay, B X for X in A. Okay, if we use this syntax, and so the B can be given with the same elements. Okay, but we can also give the if statement in here. If X %2 is equals to 0, and so this returns to easily 6, 8, 34, 19, and 42. This gives us the remainder operator equals to 0 at the end of the division of the 2, or the even numbers can easily be identified with this one. This is a for loop, this is a the if conditional statement, and this is the X. Okay. So how we can use another comprehension examples? First of all, names can be equalized with the Ali, Veli, Selami, Ayşe, and Fatma. Okay, and A name for name in names, and we can also add a if A in name, which means that we search the A value and return to the A letter contained in in these words. Okay, and so the print A can be built with this one, Ali, Selami, Ayşe, and Fatma, but not the Veli, because the Veli does not contain the A character. Or if we assign to the Z value, and so it's an empty space, because we don't have any Z values in here, just like this one. But we can use the Y value also, and Ayşe is seen on on this page. This is a huge advantage to what? To create the for loops and the control to the what? Control the sum statements and assigning the new statements in here. This is useful property. And 19 is given in here. Firstly, since we can create new list with variables including a or greater a. For example, names can be assigned with the what? The Ali, Veli, and Ayşe, and Selami, and Fatma, and Arzu. Okay. Our names can be built with what? With the name for name in names. If name 0 is equals to the a, or name 0, the first element, is equals to the bigger a. Okay. And so we can print the our names in here, just like this one. See, Ali, Ayşe, Arzu. Or we can assign to the what? The s. And so we have the Selami, Arzu, Ali. Right? Do you understand that? This makes the code too easy to read and implement in this case. Right? Or we can convert the R prime number example by using the comprehension keywords. First of all, 20 in here, just like this one. In the previous case, we write a function. But not in this case. We need to build what? A two nested function to build the prime calculation, right? Prime calculation. And so, this prime calculation can be built with what is prime is a function of these terms, okay? And if while percentage t value 2 is equal to 0, return while, okay? 2. And also for I in range of 3 while, and except the even numbers in here, if while remainder operator I is equal 0, and so this is not the prime, and so we need to return to the false, but otherwise we need to return true. Okay, so how we can use this is prime function in here? The result can be built with the what? With the I for I in range of starting point 2 and ending point 20, for example. If is prime, we can assign the I, and so this returns to the what? The whole values or all prime values are returned. Okay, and so we can print the result in here just like this one. And so see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, or we can increase the 200 values in here, and so we will get to the what? To the whole prime numbers up to the what? 200. Okay, so this is a huge advantage to build what? Our algorithm based on to these parameters. Okay. Or we can build what? The nested comprehension blocks. To anyone, we can create the matrix by using these terms A, and so 1, 23 and 21, so an A, 8 and 10, and also 5, 9, 6, 44. Okay, and so the result can be built with the what? Y for x in A, for y in x if y greater than equals to the 20, and so we can print the whole result just like this one. See, in the first place, the y is the our basic results for x in A, but this second for is the nested for loop in here. And so we check all the y values in here. To what? To check if it's greater than 20 or not. Okay? And so we can write it, everything. Or we can assign the, for example, the 10. And so if I choose the 10, see 20, 21, 7A, 10 and 14 are included right now. Okay? Or 50, 90 can also be added in here. And so see, these numbers can easily be checked by using the what? Nested loop, but in the comprehension utilizations. Okay? So this is more complex, but if you review this code, you get understand it. With the same procedures, the nested comprehension can also be applied in here. 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Okay? And so the B. And we create another list in here, y, for y in X if y percentage 2 is equals to 0. But this is the first comprehension, and this list also another comprehension in here, nested comprehension. And so this returns to the what? Returns to the what? To whole points or the numbers. To what is a big or the complete reminder can be built with this syntax. And so if I run this code, in the first place we will have the only 2 because 1 and 3 does not divide it by without a reminder to the 2. But in the second place we have the 4 and 6. In the third place we have the 8. We can build it based on these properties. Okay? You need to check it also, this function. So in the third tree we produced also the zip function in here. Okay? And so A 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and B Ali, Veli, Selami, and Ayşe and Fatma. Okay, so result of zip A and B can be given in here. And so what is the result in here? We match the 2 properties in here just like this one. This is a zip object. See, zip object is given in the result. It's just like to what? To enumerator, but it's not the same. Okay, so for t in result is given with what? With the t values, just like this one. This returns to the what? The tuple values of these terms. Each of the term A and B is matched with the another one with the same index. 1 is Ali, 2 is Veli, 3 is Selami, 4 is Ayşe, and 5 is Fatma. Just like this one. And so we can print it. This creates to the what? To the tuple. Okay? And so, how about this one? X and Y in zip A and B. We can print the what? The X and Y. And so, what is the value or the type of this X? Or what is the value or the type of the Y in here? X is equals to what? The A type. Y is equals to what? The B type. Okay? And so if I run this code and then 1 Ali, 2 Veli, 3 Selami, 4 Ayşe and 5 Fatma can be reachable at its point. Okay? We can use it. Or just see that for X and Y in zip A and B, but in terms of the what, this value, we can use the what? Ankara and Edirne. We can use it. And so we can print the what? X and Y in here. And so what happens if I run this code? In this code, we will have the bigger A is matched with the E. A, E. And match with the D, K match with the I. Okay, see, that's it. You can use it, this property, and so we can match the two terms just like this, and we can match these terms and we can reach at the same time by using the for loop. Or this is a problem, Yara. If you don't have the equal length, and so we can't have the semantic results. But in some cases we don't have the syntax error, but I will talk about it. Okay, but semantically that's wrong, but in syntax sometimes is run, sometimes does not run. Okay, for x, y and z in zip value, just remember the range 0 to 5, range 10 to 15, and range 20 to 25. Okay, and so we can put x, y, z value in here just like this one. And so if I run this code, say 0, 10, 20, 1, 11, 21, 2, 12, 22, 3, 13, 12, 3, 23, and 4, 14, and 2014, 4, right? We can use it, this property, especially for the machine learning applications. You must see the enumerate and the zip all the time, because at each case we have a picture or the objects with a related to the label, and so this zip, enumerate, or the another functions with the comprehensions are mostly utilized in this area, machine learning or the artificial intelligence programming. Okay, any question? If you don't have any question, and so these are the topic, I will jump the next subject or the topics of the Python programming language, but in the next week we will have an exam, and so I ended up here for today. Okay, but do not leave, because I will explain how we can handle the exam, midterm exam, in the next week right now. Okay.